An unpredictable genius, Salim Durani was on his day a match winner either with the bat or the ball. He was one of the few cricketers who could turn the course of a match either by a few lusty blows or by a couple of wickets in one over. To the stodgy, fairly predictable image of the Indian cricketer, Durani, by his dash and vigorous play, injected an element of excitement into the game. An aggressive left-handed batsman, who could demolish the best of bowlers and who acquired the reputation of hitting sixes on demand, Durani in full flow was a joy to watch. But it was as a bowler that he first made his mark in Indian cricket. He ambled into ball with a lazy action, but the best of his deliveries beggared description. For Durani, having delivered the ball from his great height could make the ball lift and turn. Durani bowled India to victory over England in 1961-62, successively picking up 8 and 10 wickets in the country's triumphs at Calcutta and Madras. Almost 10 years later he helped shape another notable victory, this time over West Indies at Port of Spain, by dismissing Clive Lloyd and Gary Sobers, the latter for a duck. His only century in tests was against West Indies in 1962. Durani had a special rapport with the spectators, who once agitated when he was inexplicably dropped for the Kanpur Test in 1973, with placards and slogans like "No Durani, no Test." A tall, handsome figure, Durani had movie star looks and in fact appeared in a film with Parveen Babi in the early 70s. Salim Durani debuted in Test cricket against Australia at Brabant Stadium, Mumbai, on 1 January 1960. His last Test match was against England, also at Brabant Stadium, Mumbai, on 6 February 1973. Salim Durani played 29 Test matches, 50 innings, and scored 1,202 runs with a low batting average of 25.04. His highest score of 104 against West Indies at Port of Spain in 1962 goes in vain as India lost that test by 7 wickets. He hits 1 century and 7 half-centuries along with 15 sixes in his entire Test career. As a fielder he took 14 catches. Salim Durani also took 75 wickets with a bowling average of 35.42 in Test cricket. His best bowling of 6 for 73 against Australia at Eden Gardens, Kolkata, in 1964 goes in vain as that test ended in a dull draw. Despite this fact, Salim Durani was declared man of the match in that test for his superb bowling. Salim Durani had a fantastic first-class record. He played 170 matches, 275 innings, and scored 8,545 runs with a batting average of 33.37. His highest score in first-class cricket is 137 not out. He has 14 centuries in his kitty. He took 144 catches as a fielder. He also took 484 wickets with a strong bowling average of 26.09 in first-class cricket. His best bowling in first-class cricket is 8 for 99. In List A cricket, Salim Durani played 3 matches, 2 innings, and scored 34 runs. He also took 4 wickets with a brilliant bowling average of 13.00 in List A cricket.